Kesong Puti is a Filipino soft unaged white cheese made from a skimmed caramel milk, salt curdled with vinegar, and citrus juices. It has a smooth texture and a mild salty taste. It can also be eaten as is or paired with bread, usually pandesal. For today's video, we're going to show you how to make Kesong Puti. This Filipino cuisine is easy to make, and with that, let's get right into the video.
For the ingredients, you will need 1 liter of Carabao milk, 1/4 tablespoon of sea salt, 4 tablespoons of cane vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of calamansi juice.
First, place the milk in a casserole over a medium-low heat. Add salt and cook it for 15 minutes. Stir the mixture continuously with a whisk to prevent it from boiling.
After 15 minutes, remove the mixture from the heat. Then, gradually add vinegar and lemon juice. Mix slightly and allow curd to form. After that, let it cool and set for 1 hour.
After an hour, line a strainer with a piece of cheesecloth and set it over a mixing bowl. Once the mixture has cooled, pour it into the lined strainer to drain the whey or the liquid from the mixture and discard it. To have a firmer curd, squeeze the cheesecloth to drain more whey from the mixture.
After that, place the curd in the container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week to allow fermentation process.
After 1 week, the curd, now called Kesong Puti, can be eaten or paired with bread, usually pandesal. See, Kesong Puti is so easy to make. Why don't you try it?
That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.